Dear friends, emotional intelligence is not about being nice alone. That's important. But being effective, choosing the right emotion for managing ourselves well in a situation and for managing others well in a situation is critical to executive effectiveness. And for this, we must be first aware of the emotion that is within us, because if we do not know our emotions, we behave in an impulsive manner than in an intentional manner. Similarly, once I can manage my emotions, I know my emotions and manage them, I need to understand the other person's emotions. What do they need? What are their fears? What are their anxieties? And how do those issues bring particular emotions like defensiveness, aggressiveness, diffidence in the other person, which I need to address for an effective interaction, be it with a subordinate, be it with a supervisor, be it with a peer, be it in the family. Not knowing your emotions, not managing them well, not understanding other people's emotions, and not managing relationships well are a one-way path to failures. Yet, as an executive, in the course of the day, we fail many times. The more we are aware, the more we can manage ourselves better and others better, the more success we have for ourselves and our team members. The workshop on the 22nd, 23rd, 24th would help you understand many of these mysteries and several of the brain hacks that can help you to manage yourself better and manage others better. Very importantly, you'll also get certified on the important scale tool, which is an acronym for Skills for Career and Life Effectiveness. Each one of us need to be more effective, more successful, more happy in this world. And this tool would help you to do self-coaching and to actually administer it to others to help them by coaching, mentoring to become better people and better executives. So I would look forward to seeing you all on the 22nd of May at Hawaii, and look forward to you actually interacting, not only to learn, but to create. I think we can collectively create a better world. Thank you so much.